In this session, we'll be learn to define best practice and state the benefit of using EJB technology based practice, select and apply known partners to Java EE application design. So try to prevent ये तुम्हारा design to best practice, try to prevent increase maintainability, fast, reduce development time, then support scalability, maximize reuse. तो ये सारा करने से तुम्हारा जो बेस्ट जो वे है तुम उसके जरिए तुम अपना एप्लीकेशन को डेवलप कर सकते हो. Choosing between EJB and other technology, जैसे कि सिस्टम अवेलेबिलिटी, रिमोट डाटा एक्सेस, प्रिविलेज मैनेजमेंट, स्केलेबिलिटी, कंपोनेंट बेस्ड डेवलपमेंट मॉडल, फिर क्लाइंट नेचुरलिटी, कंकरेंट डाटा एक्सेस, सिक्योरिटी मैनेजमेंट, ट्रांजैक्शन मैनेजमेंट, राइट. अप्लाइंग नोन पार्टनर, तो तुम जब डाटा एनालिसिस करते हो, कोई भी एप्लीकेशन डेवलप करोगे, अगर तुम डाटा एनालिसिस करना चाहते हो तो उसके लिए प्रॉपर एनालिसिस चाहिए, उसके लिए प्रॉपर डाटा तुम्हारा चाहिए जिसके जरिए तुम एक वेब एप्लीकेशन को डेवलप कर सकते हो या फिर एक एप्लीकेशन को डेवलप कर सकते हो. The section facet partner pattern client section bin से entity business object तुम्हारा different entity तुम्हारा है and वहां से तुम्हारा section facet then client को तुम्हारा वो response होगा. Sequencer partner client entity bin user check block of sequence numbers sequence cache bin use the provide next block of sequence number sequence store bin then तुम्हारा database के अंदर टेबल के जरिए वो तुम्हारा स्टोर होगा.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Anushree. डाटा ट्रांसफर ऑब्जेक्ट पार्टनर, तो ये तुम्हारा डाटा ट्रांसफर बाय द क्लाउड के जरिए या फिर इंटरनेट के जरिए तुम्हारा रिक्वेस्ट जाएगा कंटेनर के पास एंड तुम्हारा कंटेनर से रिक्वेस्ट आएगा इंटरनेट के थ्रू से. मैसेज पैकेट पार्टनर पैटर्न क्लाइंट सेंड मैसेज देन तुम्हारा मैसेज पैकेट होगा सेक्शन पैकेट के पास, फिर रिक्वेस्ट जाएगा तुम्हारा डिफरेंट एंटिटी के पास एंड रेस्पॉन्स तुम्हारा फिर से आएगा सेक्शन पैकेट के पास, देन तुम्हारा वो ट्रांसफरेशन होगा क्लाइंट के पास. Matching the EJB component to the tags, section bins, model business process, types, stateful and stateless, entity, model business data, message driven bin, model messaging system event listener. Maintaining section specific data, that is web client and application client. Web client में तुम्हारा सर्वलेट and HTTP section तुम्हारा web container के जरिए तुम्हारा यूज होता है एंड एप्लीकेशन क्लाइंट में तुम्हारे EJB कंटेनर के अंदर तुम्हारा स्टेटफुल एंड तुम्हारा सेक्शन बिन तुम्हारा यूज होता है. मिनिमाइजिंग नेटवर्क ट्रैफिक, क्लाइंट एंड एंटिटी बिन तुम्हारा नेटवर्क के जरिए तुम्हारा एक्सेस किया जाता है एंड तुम्हारा क्लाइंट और सेक्शन बिन देन तुम्हारा एंटिटी बिन, दो तरीके से तुम्हारा ट्रांसफर होता है, डायरेक्टली क्लाइंट एंड एंटिटी बिन के जरिए या फिर क्लाइंट सेक्शन बिन के जरिए तुम्हारा एंटिटी बिन को एक्सेस किया जाता है. To minimize remote method calls, use local interface where possible, group related EJB component and deploy them in a single JVM machine. Cache EJB home object reference, use the section packet design pattern, use the data data transfer object design pattern. To minimize processing time and unnecessary network traffic, use Java technology primitive whenever possible. When passing object, pass only what is required. Use transition field when possible. Use lightweight DTO system. हमारा प्रोजेक्ट कितना तक गया? नमस्ते। स्टार्ट किए या फिर स्टार्ट नहीं किए? सफल है अनुष्ठी। प्रोजेक्ट कितना तक है?
सॉरी सर, आपकी वॉइस कट हुआ।
स्टार्ट करो, स्टार्ट करो। ऑब्जेक्टिव रिकैप, ये तुम्हारा रिकैप सेक्शन है तुम्हारा। इन दिस सेशन विल बी लर्न टू examine the Java TM platform enterprise edition, examine the Java EE technology application, implement enterprise Java beans 3.0 section bean, implement Java princess API entity classes के बारे में हम जाने, implement entity composition, association and inheritance के ऊपर हम जाने, मतलब फंडामेंटल चीज। दो, use the Java princess API query language, develop Java EE technology application using messaging, create message driven bean, implement interpreter classes and method, implement transition, implement exception handling for EJB technology, add timer functionality to EJB component, implement security for Java EE technology। ये सारा हम ये चैप्टर में, मतलब ये सब्जेक्ट में हम कवर अप किए। Check your understanding. What are the key features of the component container architecture? The key feature of the component container architecture are the separation of application specific functionality and application generic functionality. Component house application specific functionality. Container house the generic functionality common to all enterprise applications. Container provide services and an execution environment for component. Mention the step that must be followed for the creation of the EJB application. The following step can be followed to create an EJB application. Use your preferred object-oriented methodology to analyze the business problem. Identify the synchronous communication requirement of the application. Identify the asynchronous communication requirement of the application. Use entity classes to model the specificity data. Use section beans to model the server-side business logic and synchronous service packet for the server-side components. Use the JMS API and message-driven bean to model the asynchronous communication requirement of the application. Create the client, assembly and package the application. Deploy the server-side component, package and distribute the client. How can a business interface be designated as a local and a remote interface? To specify an interface as a local interface, use the local annotation on the interface of the bin classes. To specify an interface as a remote interface, use the remote annotation on the interface of the bin classes. Consider the following code snippet: the remote business service interface, that is @remote public interface calculator, then int add, उसके पैरामीटर के अंदर दो वेरिएबल तुम्हारा डिक्लेयर किया गया, दो इंटीजर टाइप int a int b, सब्सट्रैक्ट भी वही सेम, दो पैरामीटराइज्ड वेरिएबल तुम्हारा डिक्लेयर किया गया। Write the code snippet for the stateless section bin class implementing the remote business interface defining ever. ये तुम्हारा कंप्लीट कोड। stateless public class calculator bin implement calculator, फिर public int add function, then उसके अंदर दो पैरामीटर, then उसके बाद उसके बॉडी के अंदर रिटर्न a plus b. Similarly subtract मेथड तुम उसके बॉडी के अंदर रिटर्न a minus b तुम करोगे। What is a deployment descriptor? What are the two types of DD? A DD is a XML file that provides configuration information to the application server to configure the enterprise bin component during deployment. The two types of DD are enterprise bin component DD and Java EE application DD. What is Java Princess specification and how does Java Princess API relate to Java EE application server? क्या है उसका? The Java Princess specification is the specification of the Java API of the management of Princess and object or relational mapping with Java EE and Java SE. The Java Princess API relates to Java EE application server as all Java EE application server are required to provide an implementation of the Java Princess API. Can you override the default setting of the database table name and column name? If yes, which annotations will help you to accomplish the task? Yes, the default setting of the database table name, name and column name can be override by using the table annotation and column annotation respectively. Which annotation can be used to inform the container not to process it a field or property of the entity class? You can use the transist annotation to inform the container not to process a field or property of the entity class. Name the 4 different lifecycle state of an entity instance. ये बोलो तो name the 4 different lifecycle state of an entity instance. 4 lifecycle बोलो. The 4 lifecycle state of an entity instance are new, data cached, managed, and removed. Identify the properties that are required to describe our association relationship between object in the model. The 4 properties required are cardinality, direction, ownership, cascading, type. How is the object or relational mapping for entity instance specified? The object relational mapping strategy for entity inheritance is specified using the strategy attribute of the inheritance annotation of the inheritance element in the XML descriptor. That is the single table per class hierarchy object and or relational mapping strategy. In the single table per class hierarchy strategy, all the classes in a hierarchy map to a single table in the relational database. The single table has a column for each unique princess field in the hierarchy. That is the table per class object or relational mapping strategy. A table per class mapping strategy required a table for each concrete class in the hierarchy. Each table has a column for each princess field in the entity to which it maps. What is the joint subclass object or relational mapping strategy? The joint subclass mapping strategy requires a common table to represent the root entity class in the hierarchy. Each entity subclass is represented by a separate table that contains columns specific to the business, column specific to the subclass, column that represent its primary key. Primary key means what? Primary key, it is a constant or it is a rule which can be applied in the column. Inside the column, each and every row of that particular column should be uniquely identified and it should be avoid the null value, right? What does the mechanism consist of provided by the Java Princess API to query over entities and their princess state? The mechanism consists of query statement string written in the Java Princess query language, object that implement the javax.princess.query interface. Identify the path expression in the following query, that is select तुम्हारा distinct O1 from order 1, order O2 where O1 dot quantity is greater than to O2 dot quantity and O2 dot customer dot last name equal to Smith and o2.customer.firstname equal to John, right? ये तुम्हारा complete path कौन सा path में तुम्हारा है तो उसको तुम identify करो. The two part expression are separated by commas are order O1 and order O2. Define the structure of the select statement. A select statement has the following structures: select clause, from clause, where, group by, having, order by. So select statement would be basically used for the retrieve the data from the database, right? And उसके लिए तुम्हारा different clause तुम्हारा use होता है. तो select कीवर्ड के जरिए तुम्हारा where, group, having, order by, compute by, ये सारा चीज तुम्हारा select clause में तुम्हारा use होता है. How can an application server support JMS? What will you do not acknowledge the tags? For an application server to support JMS technology, it is required to place them administrator object in the GNDI technology namespace of the application server. The administrative tools supplied by the application server can be used to perform these tasks. Identify the three parts of a message and what they consist of. The three parts of a JMS API message are header, properties, and body. Header, it contains standard information for identifying and routing the message. Properties, it provides a mechanism for the classification of message. Body, it contains the actual message is one of the several standard format. Why should you not use entity section and manage message driven bin as synchronous message consumer? As the synchronous message consumer block and tie up server resource, you should not use entity section and message driven bin as synchronous message consumers. Identify the features of message driven bin. Message driven bin is designed, first of all, is designed for to function as a asynchronous message consumer, implement a message listener interface, do not have a remote component or local component interface, do not provide Java EE component with a direct interface, has no client visible identity. Identify the lifecycle event generated by entity class. The lifecycle event generated by section and message driven bins are post concurrent construct event, pre-destroy callback, post-activate callback, pre-passivate callback. Identify the lifecycle event generated by section and message driven bins. These are the lifecycle. Pre-persit callback, pre-post persit callback, pre-remove callback, post-remove callback, pre-update, post-update, post-load. Defines the 6 predefined transaction demarcation policies provided by the CMT to application assembler. Requires new, support, mandatory, not supported, never. Identify the features of application exception. The features of application exception are, they are defined in the throws clause of the enterprise bin, business interface, or a message in listener interface. They are restricted to subclasses of the java.client.exception. They are not subclasses of java.rmi.remote exception. They represent application related error condition. And for the features of system exception, the features of system exception are, they are non-application exception. They are caused by error in the service applied to the enterprise bins by the Java EE container. System exception can be thrown in a business method containers, callback method, or the message driven bins on message method. Define timer service and what are the different types of timers. A timer service is a container provided service that enable the bin provider to register enterprise bin for timer callback. The different types of timer are absolute timer, single event notification timer, relative time single event notification timer, relative time notification timer, The interval timer with the initial absolute time integer trigger, the interval timer with the initial relative time trigger, right? What is the caller authentication and what are the two phases of the authentication process? The caller authentication is defined as the process of verifying the user identity. The two phases of authentication process are establish user identity, authenticate caller against and established identity. Right? Finish. खत्म. हमारा पूरा खत्म. Right? तो एक तो प्रोजेक्ट बाकी है, तुम करोगे. राइट? प्रोजेक्ट के लिए स्टार्ट करो. फिर नेक्स्ट वीक फ्राइडे तुम्हारा एग्जाम होगा. ठीक है, एडवांस लेवल सारा मल्टीपल चॉइस गिरेगा, एमसीक्यू सब एमसीक्यू गिरेगा. ठीक है, क्लियर? अनुश्री, सैफली, नेक्स्ट वीक फ्राइडे एग्जाम. ठीक है, अनुश्री, सैफली. इन सारे में तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन आएगा. जावा फंडामेंटल, यूएमएल, पीएलटी, डब्ल्यूसीडी. राइट? तो ये सारे में तुम्हारा सारा मल्टी एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन आएगा. ठीक, क्लियर? अनुश्री, कुछ पूछना चाहते हो? अनुश्री, सैफली. अनुश्री.